Hey everyone, it's great to have you here. Today, I'm diving into a topic that can actually help you make some extra cash: how to profit from old hard drives. You'd be surprised how much value you can squeeze out of something just lying around your house. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, data recovery and selling. Many people think their old hard drives are useless once they stop working or get replaced. But here's the thing: data is valuable. There are companies and individuals willing to pay good money to recover lost data. If you have the technical know-how or are willing to learn, you can start a small business recovering data from old hard drives. And even if you're not a tech whiz, you can sell those drives to data recovery firms. Cha-ching! Next, let's talk about selling parts. Hard drives contain several valuable components like magnets, platters, and circuit boards. These can be sold individually to hobbyists, repair shops, or even on eBay. The rare earth magnets inside, for example, are super strong and have a variety of uses. So don't just toss that old drive, break it down, and sell the pieces. Now let's move on to the creative side. If you're into DIY projects, old hard drives can be a gold mine. The platters can be turned into mirrors or sleek clock faces. The casing can be transformed into unique external hard drives or quirky tech-themed artwork. Sell these creations at local markets or online. People love one-of-a-kind items. And for those who are environmentally conscious, recycling is a great option. Companies pay for electronic waste, and hard drives are no exception. Find a local e-waste recycling center and see what they offer for old hard drives. You might not make a fortune, but you'll earn some money while doing your bit for the planet. Finally, let's not forget about refurbishing and reselling. If the hard drive is still functional, you can wipe the data clean, test it, and sell it as a used drive. Websites like Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace are great platforms for this. People always need affordable storage solutions, and you can provide that while making a profit. So there you have it. From data recovery to creative projects and recycling, old hard drives are a treasure trove of opportunities. Don't let them gather dust. Put them to good use and make some money in the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on turning tech trash into cash. See you next time.